a charge sheet has been filed by the Hyderabad police in the case of a gang rape inside a car of a minor in Jubilee Hills area of Hyderabad 2 months ago. That incident that took place on the 28th of May. 5 minors accused of sexual assault have got bail just prior to the filing of the charge sheet in the juvenile court. And to get more details on this, we have my colleague Uma joining us. Uma, the Hyderabad Police Commissioner had earlier said that they would request the Juvenile Board to have the minors tried as adults once the charge sheet has been filed. And now finally that charge sheet has been filed, even though the 5 minors have got bail just recently.
Yes, indeed. There was some criticism about bail being granted just prior to the charge sheets being filed. But the police has said that they have completed the investigation or the forensic examination that need to be done, the witnesses who need to be examined as well. So they have spoken to all of them, and therefore they are confident of pinning this. So what we understand is that it's a 600-page charge sheet in which they have examined about 65 witnesses. And the police has also said that, those were at the pub at the time that this young girl, the survivor, was there. Her friend, who is seen in CCTV footage, leaving the pub along with, just prior to this survivor going with the boys. The other people who were at the bakery as well, the driver of the Innova who was dropped off at the second place. So all of these people have become witnesses. The police will, of course, be asking the Juvenile Board for permission to try them as adults. This is something that the Hyderabad Police Commissioner had told NDTV. And they're also going to seek fast-track trial in this particular case. As I mentioned, yes, the minors accused in this particular case have been granted bail, but experts pointing out that bail is the rule rather than an exception. And therefore, if there is any evidence that there is any attempt to either tamper with evidence or to influence witnesses, then the prosecution could always go back to court and seek the cancellation of bail. Back to you.
Right. Thank you so much, Uma, for joining us with all those details.